Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you Google Calendar tips and tricks for better time management. If you often feel like there's never enough time in a day, you are not alone. But with Google Calendar, you can actually make more time, or at least use what you have much better. This detailed guide will walk you through Google Calendar tips and tricks for better time management. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who wants more structure in your daily routine, you will find plenty here to put into practice right away. Here is a quick overview. 1. Understanding layout. 2. Create first event. 3. Set up recurring events. 4. Add reminders. 5. Use notifications wisely. 6. Color code your calendar. 7. Share your calendar. 8. Use tasks for to-do list. 9. Sync with other devices. 10. Add Google Meet or Zoom links. 11. Use the search feature. 12. Enable offline mode. 13. Keep improving. Let's begin. Number 1. Understand the layout. Before adding events, take a minute to get familiar with the layout. On the left, you'll see your mini monthly calendar and your list of calendars. In the center is your main calendar grid. This shows days and time slots. At the top right, you'll find buttons to switch between day, week, month, year, schedule, and 4 days views. Use the Today button to jump back to today's date anytime. Number 2. Create your first event. Adding events is the heart of using Google Calendar. Click anywhere on the calendar grid, like on the time slot where you want to add something. A pop-up will appear. Type your event title, for example, team meeting or study time. Click more options to set the start and end time. Add a location or write a description. Click save when you are done. Your event will appear on your calendar. Number 3. Set up recurring events. Save time is setting up repeating events. Click on an event or create a new one. In the event details, find does not repeat and click it. Choose how often you want to repeat it. Daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or customize it. Click Done, then Save. Use this for classes, regular meetings, or reminders to exercise or take breaks. Or add reminders or appointment schedule. Don't miss important tasks by adding reminders. On the left, click the plus next to other calendars if you don't see reminders yet. Click Create, then choose Appointment Schedule instead of Event. And what you need to remember, pick the date and time, and click Save. Reminders will show up on your calendar and can help you keep track of small tasks that might slip your mind. Number 5. Use notifications wisely. You don't want to forget about events, so notifications are key. Open an event. Find the notifications section. Choose how you want to be notified, by email or a pop-up. Adjust when you want to be reminded, 10 minutes, 1 hour, or even days in advance. Click Save to lock it in. Number 6. Color code your events. Make your calendar easy to read by using colors. Choose an event. Click Edit. You can see this circle with color blue. Click it. Pick a color or choose Add Custom Color to set your own. Use colors for work, personal task, study time, or fun plans. Make sure you have listed your colors and purposes so that you will not be confused. Number 7. Share your calendar. If you work with a team or family, sharing your calendar can help everyone stays in sync. At the top of your calendar, select Settings and scroll Settings for My Calendar. Click your name. Scroll to Share with specific people and click Add People. Type their email address. Choose the permission level. See only free or busy. See all event details or make changes. Click Send. Number 8. Use tasks for to-do list. Google Tasks is built into Google Calendar and helps with daily to-do list. On the right side of your calendar, click the blue task icon. Click Add a task. Write your task and choose a due date and time. Click Save. Your task will show up on your calendar and make them done by clicking the circle when finished. Number 9. Sync with other devices. Keep your calendar handy everywhere. Open Google Calendar on your laptop. Click the gear icon and choose Settings. Scroll to Integrate Calendar. Here, you'll find your calendar's link and sync options. Make sure you are signed in with the same Google account on your phone. Download the Google Calendar app on your phone so everything stays synced. Number 10. Add Google Meet or Zoom links. Make meetings easier by adding video call links. Open or create an event. Click Add Video Conferencing and select Google Meet. If you use Zoom, paste the meeting link in the description box. Even in Google Meet, click Save. When it is time, just click the link from your event. Number 11. Use the search feature. Don't waste time scrolling. Find past or future events quickly. At the top, click the search icon, magnifying glass. Type keywords like doctor appointment or birthday. Press enter to see all matching events. Number 12. Enable offline mode. Stay productive even when you are not online. Click the gear icon and select Settings. On the left, click Offline. Check Turn on Offline Calendar. Follow the prompts to set it up. Now you can view and edit events without an internet connection. Number 13. Keep improving. The best tip? Keep adjusting your calendar as you learn what works for you. Experiment with time blocks, set goals, review your week ahead every Sunday, and clear clutter by deleting old events that no longer matter. Mastering your Google Calendar isn't rocket science. It just takes a few smart habits, from creating your first event, setting up recurring tasks, and using reminders to color coding, pairing, syncing with other devices, and adding meeting links. Every step helps you stay ahead. Don't forget to use search, enable offline mode, and keep improving how you plan your days. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips that make your time maximize well. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.